Hi, I'm Dr. Klein. I'm here today to share some new information with you on a new procedure that we brought into our office. And it's treatment for peripheral neuropathy. I know that's a big word, and a lot of times I stumble on it myself. But let's get an idea of what that is. Okay, peripheral neuropathy is a syndrome where somebody has tingling and numbness and burning to the bottom of the feet, the whole foot. It affects the whole foot area itself. And it can be extremely debilitating for a lot of these people. Now, it seems to happen a lot in people that are diabetic. Some of the reasoning behind that is as diabetes has a tendency to decrease in blood flow, your capillaries and your blood vessels, as they get towards the extremities, they thin, they have a tendency to not carry blood flow down there, realizing that your artery and your nerve run alongside each other as they run down into the extremity areas itself. So if you're not getting good blood flow down there, your nerves are not going to be fed. And so if we think of this as a root system, we're kind of an inverse tree. Here's the base of the tree where all the nutrients come from, and basically it has to be fed down through and through the whole body, and getting out to the capillaries in the very, very small parts of your body takes us the longest to get there. And so if we have a situation where our blood flow is not getting there, we can see that this could become a very serious problem. And it is for a lot of people. And realize too that there's a lot of people who don't have diabetes, who do have these same types of problems itself. Now realize medically the only treatment they have for this is a drug called Neurontin or Gamitropin. And it's basically a nerve drug, and all it does is again is block the symptoms. And so it just makes it so that you can't feel the pain, the tingling, numbness of course is still there. And all that's going to happen is it's going to continue to get worse and worse over time. Realize as we get older, one of the biggest problems we have as we get older is falling down, and breaking our hip. Many people have heard of this. And you and I both know that once your hip gets broken, it really becomes a debilitating problem, and a lot of these people end up dying very early. If you're having numbness in your feet and you can't feel them, can you see how that's going to perpetuate a real serious problem here? So we need to find a way to reverse this process and bring things back to a better direction for people. And we have that process here. We use infrared light technology. We have booties that fit on the feet, and we're going to be showing this in a little bit, how this treatment goes. But the booties fit on the feet, and what happens is that infrared light, the wavelength from the infrared light, stimulates the neurons. Those are the small parts of the nerve. Helps us stimulate the blood flow into the feet and open up these pathways and help to get blood flow back to these nerves. And it's like getting water down to the root of the plant again. We're trying to get water down there so we can get this nutritional process back online. And it happens over a period of time. Nothing happens overnight. And it usually takes about 30 treatments, 3 times a week for about 10 weeks in order to facilitate this. You're going to be in the booties for about 30 minutes, and then we use vibration. There's a special oscillating level of vibration on the feet, and again, we're stimulating circulation, we're stimulating blood flow to this area. And we do the vibrational part. And then one of the things we do is we put you on a special conditioning machine. Again, this machine is going to work to help you with your stability. It's going to be a machine that's going to be moving a little bit. You're going to be working on your balance, working on getting the feeling back into that area. And all this treatment takes almost about 45 minutes to an hour to facilitate each treatment. And it works extremely well. It's very exciting, and it's amazing what we can do for these people that at this point in time have felt like there's nothing that can be done. We're moving down this road and it's not happening for us. One of the other things that affects these people too, we talked about diabetes. People that are on statin drugs, we realize that these are drugs for people that have high cholesterol. A statin drug takes your fats, and the whole idea is that it decreases our fat level in our body. Well, we need to understand something. Fats are actually very important. Our brain and the sheath, and we're going to think of it as the insulator part around the nerves, is made up of fat cells. And so it's very important that we have these fat levels in our body. And so also these people over a long period of time can start to get these same peripheral neuropathy problems. And realize that if you're a diabetic and you have some glucose problems, which we know also causes problems with the nerve, and you're on statin drugs both, now we really have a problem. And so it's important for us to look at what we can do to make changes in that. And we're going to show you and look, so you can look and see a little bit about what the program is all about and how it works. You want to give us a call here at the office, Klein Chiropractic, and our phone number is 279-2339. We have a special program where we'll go through and do an evaluation for you, okay? And it's only $47 for the evaluation for us to do a full neurological exam and find out if you have peripheral neuropathy. If you do, we'll do a grading system on it. We'll find out where it is, and then we'll talk to you about where we need to go from there. Thank you.